Hey there guys, it's Art from the Busy app. I wanted to just take a few minutes of your time to show you how to set up and get logged into the Busy app. You do need domain level admin rights in order to be able to install the app. If you don't have those rights, it's not a big deal. Just take this link, forward it onto your IT team and say that you'd like to give the app a go. If you do have domain level admin install rights, then it's a really simple setup. You simply click this domain install button at the top, click continue. Below you'll see the scope of access that we require in order to get the service to work. We've got the terms of service and privacy policy here, but if you're okay to go ahead with that, just click and press allow. After a few seconds, the app's installed. That's pretty much it done. And the beauty of this route is it's done for your whole domain. So anybody can then access the Busy app and use it. So you click done, and there's just a little reminder that you can go to the top right hand corner at any time, scroll down, and there is the Busy app. So once you've done all that, click on this link and I will see you over at the website to show you how to use the app.